was told that Barrister Joy Ebelefike will be recognized. He sent me to represent him. And on behalf of my chairman and the former president of Nigerian Society of Engineers, he is supporting him with a sum of 200,000.
200,000. On behalf of the chairman, as announced by Frank Aneto, 200,000. $100,000.1 million. President Enugu Daughters Association speaking. About that, one year why? What did you do, Aka?
I don't know.
Hey.
On behalf of whom I urge, when you have a dodge, Oji Boko is so on behalf of whom I urge, I'm born on Diago. I eat 20,000 when I say I got
20,000 from Oji women. Oji Oko Sisi. You know, lay down. You want to cut your book.
Chief Dr. Osita Yobodo, also on Bozo Rano. I want to associate with OJ Okoye family.
$2,000 total in running from Ozorando.
We must not let it go extinction. This is culture, cultural day. We are celebrating culture in diaspora. As the Ebonyi people now watch. We are in a metata at the end of the year, mostly every December. It's a landmark program. We do come back, all the Enugu daughters, Wadiana, Enugu people residing in us. We come back here to celebrate.
I'm calling on
teach our children the culture.
The next recipient.
Some of them are not privileged
from Urobo village
and witness.
Home and abroad, they are all here
things.
to receive Master Chris Okeke to be represented by Pascal Okeke. Unfortunately, Chris is not here in person.
Of culture in
Chris Okeke scored 275 points in JAMB examination 2025 session. That point is the highest ever scored by any student since JAMB started in 1973.
Okay, so nice to have you on our interview.
On no deserve award. I want to remind people that Chris Okeke, the award recipient, is the proud son of Chris Okeke, senior architect, who also made a first class in architecture. And last year, Chris Okeke's daughter made a first class in law, and we received her here and gave her an award. Now we have Chris Okeke,
Get out of the same thing. Instead of shaman no for men, chairperson for women.
No,